worth. Some would have said to 50 Cent right now because of this interview. You remember you told me where this band? See me here? Still about my footstep. Shoe young, send you straight.
Wow. So in addition to Tyler Perry, Chris Rock, Eddie Murphy, I mean, three magnanimous names on the planet in the entertainment world, and you have direct history with them. But not only direct history, but a plug into their success. How does that feel to know that you, a simple, seemingly unassuming, simple comic, has that impact on some of the greatest entertainers on the planet? How do you explain that, and how do you not feel funny not being a part of that status?
Thank you. I don't feel funny about that. And really and truly, I don't think I have to be plugged into them, right? To get my accomplishment and they accomplished. Because I'm an accomplished comedian. I am an accomplished host and MC. I am an accomplished real estate broker. I am an accomplished mortgage broker. I do all them things, right? So we are for excellence. But because you don't see me out there running in the circuit, don't mean I am not accomplished, right? And I'm a ghetto superstar, that's what I tell you, right? So those works have been done, and that's part of the legacy that we're here to talk about, so many others,
Such as, because the ones that you've mentioned already are quite impressive. And you say, there are many others in addition to those three?
Yeah, and it varies, guys. I'm like the star of a variety show, you know what I say, when you think about it. Because being that I'm a comedian and also do the MC and the hosting things, right, I have had the opportunity to show a lot of hip-hop artists and dancehall artists and shoot them out the street,
Explain.
And if we shoot them, we can slow them. So I open the list, right?
Yeah.
We shoot them and send them guys.
Translate that for us, please.
Meaning, like for example, I think you have 50 Cent in your head. And I go around and I run and I tell tales. This is not story or makeup. Anyone can fact check this. And they would have to come and refute it. Say that, who that little youth or who is this nigga or whatever. They would want to turn me and say these things about me. But 50 Cent, when he was 15, I'm the first MC to put him on a big stage.
Where was this? Which stage was this?
This club was called Club A in Five Town. He was 15 at the time at the Lost Boys concert. I don't know if you remember the Lost Boys, Bimmers and Benz, when they do them, them label launch. Right? And then subsequent to that, I had some studio time for him to go in the studio and make him demo and him thing. The Citizen.
Wait a minute, you were
the one who run New York, the king of New York.
Let me understand this, and let me see if we all can understand this. You were the one that initially invested in 50 Cent's first demo?
If you think it's untrue, ask him.
No, I didn't ask you that. Just ask. No. We just want to.
Sorry.
Did we hear right?
Time wouldn't allow for me to go into the details and depths of it. I give you the highlight. If you want to know if it's true, ask him. He's available. He's available here in New York.
That's
he's a New Yorker.
So
he's from Jamaica. He's from the
You mean Jamaica?
Ghetto superstar. Jamaica,
New York,
Jamaica,
not
New
Jamaican.
York.
Jamaica.
Yeah, but
okay.
him from Jamaica because his mother is Jamaican. Most people don't know that.
So you were the one who invested your money and into him paying for his first studio time that launched him into the career that he's in right now.
Well, I'm not gonna say that.
Or that launched his career.
You can say that, but I'm saying that when he was 15, I had an opportunity to interact with him by putting him on stage, and subsequent he wanted to go to the studio and make a demo tape, and I invested in that studio time.
Because you saw the talent and you respected the talent you saw?
Because him threatened me. Is that joke, right? is that
I know
joke, man?
I know he's a bad boy, but
So I'm gonna tell you something about that. Because that's, all these highlights I'm making are chapters in my upcoming compendium. So this is one of the lead into my book where you'll have the details. But I remember one of the conversations I have with him was, I presented to him a producer's agreement, right? A production agreement. And type it up for him to sign. And I gave him the pen to sign, and he looked at me and he said, I'm 15, right? Right? And I didn't get it. So I said, yeah. So what, you're gonna sign? He said, I'm 15, right? And then I said, oh, minor, you can't sign a contract. And you know what he says to me, big and serious, he said, don't worry, you'll forever be my first producer. Word is bond. I didn't know what it means, word is bond, and I asked him, and he explained to me that the only thing a man has is his word. Somebody I said to 50 Cent right now because of this interview. You remember you told me word is bond? See me, still about my footstep, shoe young, send you straight. Yeah.
wow, that's an amazing story, and thank you for sharing that, because not many people would imagine that a Jamaican, or you as a Jamaican comic, would have such a significant hand in actually getting 50 cents out there to make his first demo. That is commendable.